Today I'm repotting this big, heavy Christmas cactus that belongs to my daughter. It's in soil that is so hard, and the water doesn't even go in it anymore. It's hydrophobic, and it is an old guy. I don't know how long she's had it, but it bloomed last year and formed seed pods, or the year before, and then it's dried up and the seeds came out, and I got a lot of seeds when I brought this cactus here. So let's get started on this. Yeah. Oh, here's some more seeds came out. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's just put them in with the other ones. This is my seed sprouting dish here. These were all in the little attached tray. So good luck. They're on a heat mat and a light. So I've got this big knife. I'm going to try and loosen the soil as much as I can around the edges. I just saw a fungus gnat go by. I watered this day before yesterday, and I needed to have it a little moist so I can get it out easier. It's getting flower buds already. I hope this doesn't make them fall off, but it's desperate need of this. I have some starts that I took from this plant about 2 months ago, and they're rooted. They're in my shop. Okay, let's mix up the mix I'm going to put this into. So here I have a bin. Now this is cactus has a little different requirements than like a pokey cactus. So sift this potting mix that I use for most of my plants. Get the chunks of orchid bark out. It doesn't need that much chunk. And I'm going to put these pieces in my aeroid tub over here. Okay, I'm going to add some regular peat potting mix. Put in another cup and a cup of perlite. And that looks really good for a cactus mix. I'll break up these chunks. Christmas cactus like a more Not like a straight cactus mix. It has a lot of lava rock and pumice. This looks good. It's a big piece of wood in there. I love getting my hands dirty with potting mix. Dirt, outside dirt, inside dirt. It's cool. I like it. I get it under my nails and I scrub them clean and go on about my day. Do you think that's enough? I tend to think no. Lola's in her box, which is under this potting mat I use. She helps me every time. She goes in her box. Her house, we call it. She likes it in there. That's where she stays when I have to go to the doctor or something, and she's fine with it. She doesn't bark or carry on. She's a good dog. Okay, I want to put in a little more perlite. Stuff always makes me cough. And a little pepper. Lava rock. There we go. Oh, that looks perfect. I like to mix the soil for each plant. I do have aeroid mix that I use for my Syngoniums and peace lilies. Okay, let's set this over here and get this thing out of the pot if we can. Tip it over. This side has fewer branches. I think there's gravel in the bottom of this. See, I'm just kind of digging the soil out. This is like dirt from the garden. It has no perlite, nothing, just dirt. There's its tag. I don't even see any real roots in this whole thing, just in the middle. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is solid dirt. Real dirt. Yeah, look at this pot. It's got rocks in it. Gravel or something in the bottom. Well, I watered this yesterday and it's pretty moist down here. But when it dries out, the top of the soil is so hard it's like a sidewalk. Okay, I'm dumping this in the garbage bag. This pot here. That looks about right for the root ball. I don't want to disturb this too much because what is that? Plastic pine leaves from a fake Christmas tree or something. Oh, this poor thing. There's its original soil. So my daughter isn't a plant person like me, so she doesn't realize that you can't just put these plants in garden dirt. Okay, let's get this pot. All right, little cactus or big cactus, let's get you going in the right direction. More. I'm not dividing this because it's my daughter's cactus and she wants it the way it is. This won't need to be repotted for another 3 years, probably. Maybe 2 years. I made just enough potting mix. It wouldn't have been enough for that huge pot. Okay, all done. I think it's gonna be very much happier in this. Oh, this dirt is so heavy. Look at that. Okay, I gotta get rid of that dirt. Let's give it a good drink. Settle everything in there. It's draining. Just leave it there for a little while. So that's the repot. It was kind of a task, but it's gonna be okay. I lost a little couple of, maybe it's not lost, it just is bent. Now it can get a real drink and fill out all these leaves that have been drooping and wrinkled up. It needs to be showered. Yeah, that's the Christmas cactus repot. Hope you have a great Monday. And please, when you watch my videos, please watch to the end. Thank you. Bye.